Warm greetings to everyone present here. We are the representatives of Creative Academy today standing in front of you to present our project RC Car, also known as Remote Control Car. My name is Ashutosh Prasad Bohra.
It's me, Sanan Yadav.
And today we are looking forward to present our robotic topic, Bluetooth RC Car. So first of all, let's discuss about what is a RC Car. RC Car stands for Remote Control Car. It is a small vehicle that is connected wirelessly to a smartphone or a remote through Bluetooth module. So our main goal of the project is to design it in a way such that it moves on the ground here and there according to the user's command and can also detect the obstacles in front of it smartly. So throughout the demonstration, you are going to observe the seamless integration between hardware and software, how it reacts to the real world problems and the conditions. So let's start. So now I'd like to hand over this mic to Rupak Maurjan so that he can explain how we made this project.
So how we made it? So basically we made it using different kinds of components, as you can see here. First of all, we use Arduino Uno, the microcontroller of this project, which connects all the components in it. It has two pins, digital pins and analog pins. Then we use L298M motor driver, which controls the direction and the speed of the motors. Then we use Bluetooth module, which sends the Bluetooth signal to the mobile. Then we use three lithium batteries. After that, we used ultrasonic sensor. After we completed all the project, we uploaded the code in the Arduino Uno using Arduino software, which uses C and C++.
Now let's understand the working mechanism of this project. So first, we have many robotic components. As you can see, the main component of this whole project is this Arduino Uno. This is a type of microcontroller that contains pins and controls the overall functioning of this RC car. Along with that, we have HC5 Bluetooth module which connects this device to our mobile phone so that we can operate it. It also has L298M motor driver which controls the speed, direction and the movement of this whole car. For power supply, we have 3 lithium-ion battery with 3.7 volt. We have an ultrasonic sensor to detect the obstacles in front of it. In case if there is any obstacle, it stops automatically in between. We have wheels for movement and a basic chassis. So how it works is first the user sends the command through the app. There is app called RC Car through which we can send the command. So it goes forward, backward, side, left, right, and then it sends the analog signals to the Arduino Uno. To the HC5 Bluetooth module. When the Bluetooth module detects the signals, it sends the signal again to Arduino to process it. And after processing that input, it sends the signals finally to the L298M motor driver, which moves the wheels accordingly. Now, let me give you a practical demonstration of this project. You can see according to your command, we can move it front, back, left, right or wherever you want. Obstacle. Now when it detects the obstacle, it automatically stops, which is one of its smart feature. And how is this useful in our daily life?
So I'm going to explain the daily life applications of this our RC car. So if we take this face value, then for students it can be a great opportunity of learning electronics, how circuits work, and even learning programming. And if we scale it up and make it a little advanced version of it, it can be applicable in different fields. Like if we are exploring somewhere, there are tight space where humans cannot go and they cannot drive a simple car or any exploring vehicle. We can send something like this. In that narrow space or tight space where we can control it from a device and it can gather information for us. So
thank you. So finally, the future enhancements in this project can be that we can apply AI working in this project. We can integrate it, connect it with AI and make better decisions. Along with that, we can make a better version of this with a bigger base and more of the sensors. Thank you. Any questions?
मेरो कोडिंग क्लास, तैयारी भविष्यको.